So these are the windowsill foundations. And we've now glued them in, and cover this with a waterproof paint like we have on the bottom of the house, and then we'll fix the aluminium windowsill that matches the windows on top of that. So here the XPS boards have been painted with the waterproofing mass. This is a bit different to like putting on a foil or something else here. Actually it's a little bit cheaper, but it's in terms of waterproofing just as good. And it's also the same that we used on the base of the house. So, but here anyway, the windowsills are pretty much protected by the roof, and they should only get a minimal amount of rain. So, we're having to adjust the house door size a little bit off the bottom because we put too much on.
The streets are alive, the colors ignite. Dancing feet move under golden light. Palm trees sway to the congas beat. Every soul's alive, no room for defeat. The rhythm's calling louder and clear. Feel the fire, the music's near. Fiesta en el corazón. We're the fire, we're the sun. Fiesta en el corazón. Life's a party, it's begun. A trumpet sings like a bird in flight. Whirl me closer under the moon tonight. The waves keep time with the music's tide. In this carnival we've nothing to hide. Let the melody rise and the laughter roll. The city's a heartbeat that fills the soul. Clap your hands, shout to the sky. This is our moment, let it fly. Fiesta en el corazón. We're the fire, we're the sun. Fiesta en el corazón. Life's a party, it's begun. Fiesta en el corazón. We're the fire, we're the sun. Fiesta en el...
Bad news. We're moving the door and Pep tripped on the post and we dropped it. So it's a little bit damaged. It could have been worse. The glass has come out on the top. It landed on this top corner and you can see the glass has popped out. Okay, that's not too bad. We can re-silicone that, but of course, like on this side where it hit the ground, we've got quite a lot of damage on the wood now. Brand new door, heavy door. Probably should have waited to get a bit of help with that, but there's a storm coming this afternoon and we wanted to get it under cover, understandably. So yeah, a bit disappointing really. I mean, it's just stuff, isn't it? But like at the same time, get a new door, you want to have a nice new door in your house. So we're going to have to look at how we fix that tomorrow. We're going to try and hang it. And yes, these things happen.
Dann trag sie mal um, wo die anderen stehen.
But this door is looking pretty good. It's a big difference to the old shed door that we used to have, you know. The door that actually closes properly. Just got to be careful of it. Don't need any more damage. not great. So it's like a paint plaster we put on the ceiling now, and it is very stripy. It's quite thick, so I guess that's why. So we're going to go over it again with the paint that we have on the walls. It's the same color, but it does just looks not great. So as much as I love painting, this would be a job that I would like to avoid. So if you want to come and do it, feel free. But it doesn't help anything, we have to do it. So gotta get some paint because we're out. Well, a clean working area is a productive working area. So I've just been cleaning up after putting the doors in. Got a bit to do with the doors, of course. Around the bottom we're going to be putting on the bitumen mat to get the waterproofing finished, and then we can start putting in the base around the corners again, which will be good to get those done. And of course we've got the wood delivery now for the facade on the first floor, which we can make a start on too. So that and the painting again of the ceiling inside are the three major things on our list right now, so got enough to do.